Hi, in this tutorial we'll take a look on how to view point clouds in Flai Web Application. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so let's explore the dataset we have uploaded. To do so, just press on your dataset and the viewer will open. Okay, so this is our point cloud dataset that we have just uploaded. Let's explore the viewer functionalities. So let's begin at the top. So here we have the name of the dataset and we can expand it to see some additional description about it, such as point count, area, coordinate reference systems, and some histograms of classifications, intensities. So here on the right side we have option to add tags, share the dataset, attach it to the project, edit it, download it, duplicate it or delete it. Then here we have option to center the point cloud, then to enter the classification editor. We will explore more about classification editor in follow-up tutorials. Then here we have classification legend, so the names and colors of each individual category. Let me zoom in a bit. With press on a legend I can disable this category, and also if I go in edit classification I can add or remove categories and change colors. Okay, let's close. Then here we have virtual tiles, nodes, points of interest and 3D objects, which we will explore in more detail later on. And here we have different shortcuts. So a lot of actions that are available through different buttons are also shortcutted to the keyboard to make your navigation and work as efficient as possible in the point cloud itself. And let's take a look on additional settings and options that we have. So first here we can open visualization settings, so which attribute to show. So here is the list of all available attributes. Let's select classification again. So we have different settings such as point budget, point size, point shape, point sizing. Then sometimes
down
it
here
makes sense to use different camera projections such as
map view,
graphic,
which shows the bounding box of the point cloud and location of our camera.
With this we can add nodes, creates points of interest, do measurements, delete those measurements. Then we can switch in predefined views such as front, right, back, left, top and bottom. Then let's move to those here. So those options are for clipping and reclassification of point clouds. So now we'll just explore clipping, but in follow-up tutorials we'll also take a look how to use those tools to reclassify point clouds. So let's create a cross section from top of the castle to the river. So let's select strip selection. Select the first point here, the bridge, then select the second point on top of the hill. We can draw out them as far as we want to have the cross section. Press one more time and click on enter clipping. We can also move up and down along the cross section with press of arrow keys on our keyboard.
Now you are able to visualize your large point cloud datasets with this. In next tutorial we'll take a look at advanced tools in point cloud viewer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, like and subscribe. Cheers!